You can see here, this site has no secure HTTPS connection. So let's see how to fix it, using the htaccess file in cpanel. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to sign into cpanel with cpanel username and password, which will bring you to the cpanel settings page. Now, in cpanel settings page, you need to click and enter File Manager section. And again, click and enter public HTML directory, where all the websites are located. Here, in the website's root directory, you need to search for htaccess file, which is a hidden file by default. So click Settings tab in the top bar. Next, click the checkbox, Show Hidden Files, in the pop-up window. And now, here it is, the htaccess file. If you don't find the file, you need to create a htaccess file. Find video on how to create a htaccess file in the description section of this video. Next, you need to edit the htaccess file and add this piece of code on secure HTTPS connection that you see on the screen. You can find the code in the description section of this video too. Once you updated the secure HTTPS code in the htaccess file, you can refresh the website in browser to confirm the secure HTTPS in front of the website. And done successfully. You can see here, this site has a secure HTTPS connection. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.